things have holes in the bottom of them.
Yeah.
Oh crap. Is my 360 right there?
Where?
Behind me?
I cannot see it.
Did I drop it? I think I dropped it.
Did you put it down behind your vest or something?
Uh-huh.
What?
I guess it slipped off when I stood up. Look how deep it is right here. Yeah, it's not as deep as the paddle.
No, I can see the bottom.
I think it's a fish.
It's gotta be back here. I mean, you didn't move hardly at all.
See it? I could take the GoPro and stick it under the water. It would have had enough air in it where it would have floated a little bit. Oh. Too old for this. I just start bringing a mask everywhere I go. Alright, we're going to look for the camera. 360 right there.
Right where?
Behind me.
I cannot see it.
Did I drop it? I think I dropped it.